Okay, what's up? Greg Million right here. Gonna give you guys a bike check. First off, I have the Colt D-Heart grips. Super nice, just got them. They're really nice though. Rasta colored. Then I have the Rant bars off Dan's Comp. They're 8.5 rise by 29 width. And they're really good. I like them. Haven't bent yet. Then I've got some random Haro stem, came off some race bike. Yes, it is front load, but I turned it upside down so that I could get extra height. And moving down, I have the stock Haro forks off this bike. They're 14 millimeter, but I'm running 3/8 adapters so that I can use them until I get some new ones. Then I have an Amber Rain front wheel with an Amber Rain front hub. And then I've got the G-Sport Gland MK3 hub guard with an Odyssey 8 tire and a Fly Bikes chromoly peg. Then I have a Haro RN2 frame. It's some random frame. I got the complete bike for $40 for my birthday, and I customized stuff, so not the best. Non-integrated headset. Got some random ball bearing headset. I'm gonna guess it has the stock Euro bottom bracket. It sucks. It's always creaking. Then I have the stock Haro Sub-Zero cranks that came on it with some Walmart DK pedals. My sister got them for me for Christmas, and I just put them on. Then I have an Amber Veil 25-2 sprocket. Really nice. It's been holding up. Has bent though, but still working. I have the stock Haro seat with a random seat post and a Haro clamp. It's stock too. Then I have an Amber Rain rear wheel with a 9-tooth cassette hub. That's a Amber Rain. And I have the Primo drive side hub guard and a Redline peg. Then a DK Bicycles tire. It's from Walmart, but it's super nice. I haven't gotten a flat with it yet. And I'll give you guys a hook sound here. It's not very loud, but hey, it works. It's 9-tooth, 25.9. If you guys want to hang out with me, come up to the Council Bluffs, Iowa skate park. It's awesome. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.